Hey, I'm Colin Smith from PhotoshopCafe.com, and I'm delighted to be your instructor for this course where we're going to be digging into the new Generative Fill inside of Photoshop. So it's kind of taken the world by storm. The Generative Fill is using AI, which is based on Adobe Sensei, which is machine learning, to be able to do a lot of things. But the three main things is to remove things, to add things, and to extend images. But there's a ton of things that we can do, and we're going to explore a lot of different possibilities throughout this course. I'm also going to show you some of the gotchas, some things to avoid, and some tips and tricks to help you get much better, more predictable results. So my interface here I'm using is a Mac. This course will work on Mac or Windows. I'm going to give you the keyboard shortcuts for both, but essentially the Alt key is the Option key, the Control key is the Command key, and most other things are pretty much the same. So at the time of this recording, Generative Fill is only available inside the Photoshop public beta. But don't worry, I've got a lesson where I show you how you can locate, download, and install that and get started and follow along. Also, you'll find a folder where I've got my same images. These are all photographs I've taken myself. I'm sharing them with you so you can follow along step by step. Now, when the AI generates, it's not going to generate exactly the same image. Say, for example, we create a truck. Your truck is not going to look like my truck, so just bear that in mind that every time it generates something, it's going to generate something that looks a little bit different, but it doesn't matter because the process and the steps are still exactly the same that you're going to be following along with. So I hope you enjoy this course. Let's jump in and get started.